Hi and Assalamualaikum. We are from Group 4. We choose Dutch Lady Company with a dairy product specialist. So, why Dutch Lady? Let's find out. Dutch Lady Milk Industries Berhad was established on 28 May 1963 in Betaling Jaya. It has over 50 years presence in Malaysia. Today about 58 years already and more than 140 years of Dutch Lady heritage. The company is listed on Bursa Malaysia under the main market in 1968 and operated as a subsidiary of Friesland Campina, one of the world's largest dairy cooperative based in the Netherlands, and becoming the first production facility outside the Netherlands. It started off its business by importing sweetened condensed milk from there and produced in its factory located in Petaling Jaya. That means it was incorporated as a private joint stock limited company and started with the production of only condensed milk before expanding into the dairy products. Oh, before that, Pacific Milk Industries Malaya Sendirian Berhad was the very first name of Dutch Lady in 1960 incorporated in Malaysia. On 24 September 1968, the company became the first milk company to be listed on the country's stock exchanges of Kuala Lumpur and Singapore. Since 1970, it has been using UHT, ultra high temperature processing, and packaging technology to produce milk in the country. By 1975, the company changed its name to Dutch Lady Milk Industries Malaya Berhad. The company progress continued to manufacture and introduce new products into the Malaysian market, such as sterilized milk was locally produced and sold in plastic bottles in 1983. Production of chilled milk products started in 1986 and fruit yogurt and growing up milk were introduced into the market in 1988. Dutch Lady Malaysia was the first company in the world to produce growing up milk products for children up to 6 years old. Lastly, following the company's modernization, it changed its name to Dutch Lady Milk Industries Berhad in year 2000 with a new commitment, goodness for life.
Dutch Lady Company use information technology to improve visibility and control of product and information throughout the supply chain. The main reason why technology are being used is to make the process of making a product become easier. One of the technology that Dutch Lady Company use is electronic data interchange or EDI. Dutch Lady use EDI for their communication with other organizations. Electronic data interchange refers to computer exchange of business documents in a standard format. EDI describes both the capability and practice of communicating information between two organizations electronically instead of traditional form of mail, courier, and fax. The benefits of EDI to Dutch Lady are quick process to information, provide better customer service, increase productivity, provides cost efficiency, also competitive advantage, and also improve billing. Dutch Lady also use barcode technology to increase the accuracy and efficiency of managing inventories. Barcode scanners, which are most visible in the checkout counter of the supermarket. When barcode gets read at the point of sale, inventory sales data are immediately read to a broader system that maintains usage statistics. The Dutch Lady Purchasing Department use this data to make buying decisions based on sales and existing inventory levels. The tracking of their product during delivery are also using barcoding. Barcode technology facilitates the movement of inventory within the confines of the warehouse or from the supplier to the warehouse and from the warehouse to the customer. Next, Dutch lady used radio frequency identification or RFID to raise the bar on inventory management. Dutch lady moved thousands of pieces of inventory through their doors after using RFID. RFID used two types of technology to manage inventory movements: active and passive technology. Active RFID technology used fixed tag reader assigned through a warehouse. Anytime an item with a RFID tag passes the reader, the movement of the item is recorded in the inventory management software. Active systems work best in environments that require real-time inventory tracking or where inventory security problem exists.
Before we enter to my part of presentation, I will make a small introduction about me. My name is Nick Muhammad Shahmi bin Wan Anwar Shaipuddin with matrix number 056280. So, now let's just move on to the technology in the Dutch lady farm. First and foremost is the time temperature recorder. Time temperature recorder monitor the temperature of the milk as well as the temperature of the water that cleans the milking equipment. If the temperature does not meet government guidelines, an alarm will alert the dairy farmer that there is a problem. Then, the farmer can correct the problem before it becomes a food safety concern. Next, we got parlor monitoring. Parlor monitoring systems measure dairy milk flow per cow. And there are some systems that can measure components like dairy milk fat and dairy milk protein, and can even address milk quality by measuring somatic cells. If a cow's milk production starts slowing down, the parlor monitoring system can send the farmers an alert so they can get eyes on that specific cow and provide treatment or make necessary changes to its dairy cattle nutrition. Last but not least, let us know about rumination collars. A rumination collar uses a microphone to measure a dairy cow's rumination to help ensure a smooth transition period. Changes in rumination can be an early sign of calving diseases, negative impacts of recent ration changes, cow comfort, and so on. Knowing normal rumination patterns for the farmer's specific Knowing normal rumination patterns for the farmer's specific dairy cow can help mitigate the effects of manageable stresses such as heat stress. The data can be used to help dairy producers treat those cows and minimize any negative impacts. That's all from me. Thank you.
Dutch lady experienced three types of manufacturing process. The first one is raw material, which is Dutch lady have strict control of raw material fresh milk. The raw fresh milk evaluate for quality by using strict technical methods involving many steps like testing odor, taste, color, freshness, protein, fat, and other nutrients. All these serve to ensure the fresh milk does not contain antibiotic residues or preservative. Next is production process. Dutch lady have a very strict management and test of quality. After following strict standard of raw fresh milk, Dutch lady need to ensure its product have a quality matching to the Dutch standard. Dutch lady and its agriculture extension staff taught farmers to monitor quality, run quality tests, and adopt the good cow breeding practice model recommended by the Food and Agriculture Organization. So, the staff have been trained professionally in the Netherlands. The system of monitoring and ensuring quality of fresh milk meets ISO 22000 standards for stringent monitoring through the chain from buying milk from farms. Dutch Lady also established cooperation with farmers. Dutch Lady was one of the first company to reward farmers for milk with low level of contamination to improve breeding and milk quality. The company pay attention to how farmers breed and take care of cows, also in preserving milk. They also provide them with technical counseling and teach farmers about food security.
Hi, my name is Miza. My matrix number is 054928. So in this slide, I'm going to talk about Dutch Lady Farm Management. Dutch Lady Milk Industries Berhad, DLMI, the Department of Veterinary Services, and the Embassy of Netherlands have been working together to help improve productivity to ensure a more sustainable dairy business. As the largest purchaser of local fresh milk in Malaysia, DLMI, through the DDP, has facilitated the sharing of knowledge and expertise of Friesland Campina's Dutch member dairy farmers with local farmers to help improve and adapt their farming techniques. This is to improve the quality and quantity of local fresh milk. As a result, farmers who participated in the DDP have recorded an increase in volume of milk and quality. This will help to ensure the sustainability of local milk supply. The Farmer to Farmer program is a collaboration between Friesland Campina and Dutch Lady Milk Industries Berhad. And this is fully endorsed by the Department of Veterinary Services. It is part of the Dairy Development Program supported by the Embassy of the Kingdom of the Netherlands. It was launched in 2013. This program is designed to help local dairy farmers produce milk that is higher in quality and volume, as well as to ensure sustainability of milk supply. The first farmer-to-farmer training in Malaysia was conducted in 2013 at Malacca and Perak farms with the intention of sharing information to improve the quality and increase the volume of locally produced fresh milk. Dutch farmers from Netherlands are brought into Malaysia to meet selected local dairy farmers to share their knowledge and skills in order to help them to improve and adapt their dairy farming techniques. That's all from me. Thank you.
Last process is distribution strategy. Dutch Lady use intensive distribution through all available channels because it's very convenient for consumers and the price is kept low. This means that Dutch Lady distribute their product through supermarket, hypermarket, and convenience store. These retailers usually sell a variety of high-volume goods at reasonable price. So, this is more convenient to the targeted customer and can satisfy their needs and wants.
In conclusion, the aim of this video is to explain about the background of the Dutch Lady company, technology involved, and the company management. Same as other company, Dutch Lady want to serve the best for their customer. Dutch Lady Milk Industry Berhad products are certified halal by JAKIM, JAIS, and other relevant recognized foreign halal certification bodies and authorities. Dutch Lady tagline is goodness for life. Their tagline explains that their product give a lot of benefit to our health. Dutch Lady company not just having an organized management, they also use a great technology to ease the process of making a high quality milk. Dutch Lady manage the entire chain from grass that the cows eat and selecting the finest cows to having the best technology all the way to dairy manufacturing and distribution. They manage to control every phase of the process. That's all from us. Thank you.